Hey Vikas, is there a limit to how many mutual funds I can buy?
Not really, Sapna. You can invest in as many mutual funds as you want, as long as you have the money and they align with your investment strategy.
So, how do I decide the right number?
It depends on your goals and how much time you can commit to tracking your investments. Instead of spreading your money in one asset class like stocks, focus on a well-researched selection that provides diversification across different asset classes without unnecessary overlap. A thoughtfully diversified portfolio can perform better than a portfolio with one asset class.
Got it. Quality over quantity. Focus on selecting the right funds rather than just buying more.
Spot on, Sapna. With the right approach, you will have a portfolio that's easier to manage and better aligned with your financial goals.
Got it. Stay invested, stay patient, and let the money work for me.
Exactly, Sapna. Time in the market beats timing the market. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.